Hey everyone, it's Rick Silva, the creator of the One Referral Away networking system. I've been teaching networking and facilitating referral groups for the last 17 years. I post weekly videos that help you build your referral-based practice so you don't have to cold call or chase leads or get stood up all the time, because that really sucks. If you're a small business owner, a real estate agent, a mortgage lender, financial planner, an insurance agent, a dentist, a chiropractor, a salesperson, network marketer, basically, if you need more referrals, I can help you. You've got three choices. You can get good at cold calling, you can get good at lead generating, or you can get good at networking. I can teach you how to get out of the first two and just do the third one. Ultimately, you need to get good at one of the three or you're going to be out of business. So if you want more referrals, this is your home for weekly videos where I'll help you improve your networking skills and your sales skills. So if you want to get mentored by me and see weekly networking videos, then smash that subscribe button, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.